We had had the solar panels on the roof fitted probably 14 years ago, and the results of that have been brilliant with fit payments, and that it was really good. And then we saw all the advertisements about batteries, and how we could store the electricity from the panels. So we decided that that was a good idea. One of the concerns was about losing the feed-in tariff, which we didn't, because we still get the feed-in tariff, which is obviously now stored in the batteries, which means that we're using that energy rather than sending it elsewhere. So we inquired, and Solar Battery Company came, and David was really good and explained everything to us. And the installation was superb. We it was very quick. Once they've done a survey as to where to put the batteries, etc. And they're here, as you can probably see them. And it's been superb. Everything was clean and tidy. There was no issue at all. So what's really good, in our opinion, is the fact that we can see on the app exactly what's happening, where the energy's coming from, where it's going. So we're enjoying using the overnight economies to fill the battery, and then we can use that power during the day, which means we're saving on the electricity. So yeah, it's really good. But I like looking at the app because it just shows you what's going on. We would really recommend the company because basically they explained everything to us to start with, which was really good because we weren't sure about various things, and it's obviously worked out really well for us. And we wish we'd done it way before. We just weren't confident enough, but they gave us the confidence to do it, and it's worked really well.
Yeah, well, and we would certainly recommend you or recommend anybody to use you. The one or two people that we had around before were salesmen and came out with all facts and figures, etc., which they couldn't really back up. And from the wrong word is family point of view, because it was a friendlier attitude with no pressure whatsoever, which pleased us no end. And the price was comparable with others, not necessarily the cheapest, but certainly was by no means the dearest. And we were very happy to go forward with your company.